Hello guys, welcome to new video of PC build under 20K in Pakistan. If you are new to channel, please subscribe. Let's begin the video. Here we have three options for our build. First is the i5 3rd Gen. It will cost around 13,000, and we will save our 7,000 rupees for a graphics card. The second option is i5 4th Gen. It will cost around 15,000, and we will save our 5,000 for a graphics card. Next we have i3 7th Gen PC, which in my opinion is better than i5 4th Gen. It will cost around 15,000 rupees, and again we will save 5,000 rupees for graphics card. Now for graphics card, just go to Daraz or OLX and search for 2GB graphics card. In filters, select price, 2,000 to 6,000. Here you can find a variety of graphics cards according to your budget. If you like a graphics card, check its ratings and reviews, and also check its benchmark on YouTube. I'll also provide some good graphics cards links in the description, and the links for all the PCs will also be given in the description. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. You can also suggest me some video ideas in the comments.